right, y'all, we out here at Bass Pro Shops. I'm gonna show you all what they really have. I'm gonna let you determine if there is a true ammo shortage or not, and we're about to hit a lot of different stores. All right, so I'm not gonna go through all the ammo, but this is what we have so far. And as you can see, you know, they got the small boxes and stuff like that. At the very bottom, you would see the big box 223, 556. You know, big bulk boxes. Those are completely gone. So there's no real big boxes at the bottom anymore. So yes, they are sold out. All right, I'm gonna go over this real quick and let you all see what they have. And if you need to pause the video, just go ahead and do it. This will be the first stop. We're gonna do Bass Pro Shops first. Once we're done with Bass Pro Shops, then we're gonna go over to Sportsman's Warehouse. And after we get done with Sportsman's Warehouse, after that, we'll end up hitting Academy so I can show you all what type of ammo they have out there. So this is what they have so far. And like I said before, the big boxes, the only thing I see in big box right now is this right here, 250 cartridges, 40 Smith & Wesson, the mega pack. That's it. No 223, no 556, none of that stuff. 40 Smith & Wesson right there. You got 45 auto, 230 grain, but that's a mid-size box. That's not a big box. All right, we got one right here, which is a 9mm Luger box. Looks like you get 350 in that one. I mean box, not a bucket, it's a bucket. But again, no big box 223, no big box 556, no other big boxes. All right, so this is Bass Pro Shops, guys. We're about to hit up Sportsman's Warehouse next. Well, I don't know, it'll be Academy or Sportsman's Warehouse we're gonna hit up next. So it'll be one of those we're gonna end up hitting up so I can show you all what type of ammunition that they have. So this is the first stop right here. All right, so that's what you get, guys. So yes, so far, Bass Pro Shops, it looks like they have bought up all the big box items so far. So, all right, guys, we out here at Sportsman's Warehouse. Paul the Fifth right there, boy.
Tell my shoe what's up.
All right, y'all. Let's look at the ammo. And here we go. Empty shelves. Sportsman's Warehouse. This in Murfreesboro, right, Paul the Fifth?
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. All right. I don't see any big box 223 or 556. It's not big box though.
No. Dang.
That's not big box.
$34 for that shit.
Yep. All the big box 223 and 556 are non-existent here too. How much is it going for down there? 6.5 Creedmoor here. More 6.5 Creedmoor. .30-06 right here. Oh, here go a mega pack. That's 38 special though. 44 Magnum, $47.99. Oh, they got some 12 gauge 8-shot for $10.99. Some turkey loads. I might have to get some 22 LR ammo down here too for that review. 380 ammo. .40 Smith & Wesson. Millimeter Agula. Got some ammo incorporated, $14.99, 115 grain. So empty shelves, guys. Paul, empty shelves.
Here's what I'm looking
And
for.
no big box 556 or 223 either.
The frangible. That's what I'm looking for.
Yep. So guess what? Again, we haven't spotted no 556 or 223, bro. None.
It's not over there.
Where? No big box.
Oh, blue box.
All the big boxes not here. Yeah, these little boxes. We're gonna have to get some little boxes before we leave too for this Sunday.
I know.
So we'll come back and get this because that's cheap. Yeah, none of the big boxes in here. Big box 556 or 223.
I know.
Yep. All right, guys. So the next stop is Academy Sports. Get ready for the madness. This is what they got here. As you can see, the shelves are thin as hell. Sportsman's Warehouse. All right, guys. Here we go. All right, guys. This is Academy Sports and Outdoors. This is what the ammo looks like. And well, they do have some big box 223. So I see it right over here, which is pretty rare based off some of the other places that I've been to. People buying it up. But y'all see some of the prices here. You got your 22 long rifle right there. And your big box. Where is the big box 223? I just saw it. There it is right there. Finally found it. Practice rounds. That's that 30-30 right there. That's the good stuff. 30-30 is $27.99. Pretty good. 308 Winchester, $44.99. All right, guys. So that's what I wanted to show you. Academy. I have to creep in here. You got your 9mm NATO. 9mm. All right, that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you all, you know, if it's a real shortage and how it's looking here in Nashville, Tennessee. But this is what you get right here so far. So here goes some more right here, y'all. 9mm Winchester white box, $29.99. Price is right there. So looks like Academy is winning as far as what they have so far. That's what they got, guys.